Alright, it's supposed to start raining today, but I like to go ahead and see if I can't get started on. Stupid birds, I hate birds. Let's see if I can go ahead and get started on stripping the paint on the inside. Maybe I can do it before the rain hits. I ain't got about maybe a third of this left, so I'm gonna have to be kind of sparing with it. And I know I'm not gonna do the floors. God bless, shut up. And I still haven't made my mind up about this. So what I really want to do right now is go ahead and get these sides done. God, shut up. I'm kind of limited on time today anyways, so let's do it. Alright, that's the start. I ran out of paint strippers, so I'm going to have to get some more tomorrow on my way home from Lowe's. And I guess it worked out good though, because here comes the rain. I ain't going to make y'all watch me strip all this paint. It's I mean, pretty cut and dry. Put stripper on, let it sit, and then scrape it off. Getting wet. But probably going to take probably 3 coats of paint stripper to get it all off. I wasn't really thinking it's got more nooks and crannies on the inside of a boat, so it might be a little tougher. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out over the next couple of days, hopefully, and we'll pick up on the next step. Whatever that is, I'm not sure yet. Y'all probably already know I'm gonna say it, but that was a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. I think I got all of the paint off that I'm gonna get off, at least with paint stripper. Right here is going to be a floor, so that's not a big deal. And right here, I've decided what I'm going to do for a hatch, so you're not going to be able to see it. I've picked up some paint for the floors and the sides. I decided to do the inside of the boat a different color than the outside. And of course, the seats are going to be HydroTurf because it's going to be a deck. And then back here, I'm just going to put a piece of HydroTurf and then a piece of HydroTurf on the bottom. So that's why I went ahead and stripped the very back, because it's going to be exposed, but it's going to be painted. And it still has like a couple pieces of paint here and there. I'm going to take a sander and get the rest of it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and rough up all these rivets on the inside with a wire brush and put some gloving on them. And then I can start painting the inside and then start working on the flooring. I just got done coating all the rivets and the welds on the inside of the boat with a Glove-It, which really isn't showing up any, but I did it anyhow. Went ahead and did the welds in the back, that little patch job someone has around the drain plug. Like I said, all the rivets. So let it cure, and tomorrow's Saturday, so I probably won't be able to work on it, but Sunday I can go ahead and start wiping all this stuff down with acetone, cleaning it up. And I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and paint the bottom part of the boat, maybe up an inch or so on the sides, but not do the sides completely, because I don't want to have to tape a whole bunch of stuff off. And I know when I spray paint the boat the outside color, to get that top rail, I'm gonna have to get some overspray on stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. That way I can go ahead and start on the flooring. And also I need to go ahead and prime this thing where I can. All right, that's it for today. Alright, I got the bottom of the boat prepped. Like I said, none of this stuff is really going to show. The very back of it will be open, and then, like I said, underneath the front part, underneath that deck, but I mean, you're not going to be able to see much. The middle part is going to be covered by the floor. So, I'm going to go ahead and paint it anyways, kind of like an extra layer of protection, and maybe kind of seal some stuff up, and like I said, make it look a little bit better where it will show. Now, I'm just going to use this oil-based Rust-Oleum. It's smoke gray, and like I said, I'm going to do the whole inside of the boat, even the sides, but I'm not going to do that today because I'm going to do it after I paint the outside of the boat, because I'm going to get that lip, and I know I'm going to get overspray on it because I ain't going to kill myself trying to tape all that off. It'll be a lot easier just to paint over it once I get done with the outside. But anyways, let's get to painting. Alright, that's going to need another coat, but it's all done. Let this dry, hit it again. I don't know if it'll dry enough today to get another coat or not. I hope so. I'd like to get this part of the boat done. Alright, I got 2 coats on the boat. It looks pretty good. It's got a kind of a shine to it, and it's going to look good in the back of the boat where your battery and stuff is, and then underneath that hatch. So it all worked out pretty good. I feel like it was kind of a suck video. It wasn't a whole lot going on. I mean, it was a lot of work done, but it seemed like it wasn't very entertaining. But it was all necessary to get to the next steps, which are going to be a little more fun to do, and hopefully a little funner to watch. Next video, I'm going to start on, I guess, the floor and that front deck. And I need to go ahead and get some measurements for everything so I can go ahead and order the HydroTurf. Hopefully I can find it. That stuff's kind of scarce right now. I want to get light gray, so hopefully I can find some somewhere. I went ahead and ordered the paint, and I need to go and get a paint gun. I don't even have a paint gun, so that's what I got in store for this coming up week. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.